It is so pretty. It is that 99J color. It is so pretty. You see how long it is? You see the ends. Now I just sprayed it with water. And I also put this on there. Like, I got it from the local beauty supply. I put that on there. And I'm getting ready to put some of this mousse on here. I just bought some random mousse to put on there. But it is so pretty. So you can see it just has a part down the middle. It's lace front and just lace right here. I'm gonna take it off so y'all can see it. I don't have it cemented down. But this is what it looks like inside. Just right here. I went and cut some little hairs right here. So I have some little hairs that just kind of frame right on the sides of my head. But basically, that's all I did. And it has some little lace back here in the back. But I haven't even, like I say, I haven't even glued it on. They got little tabs on the side right here where you can kind of push it in. But I went on and kind of cut some little hair so I can have some little hair framing around the sides. So when I decide to kind of gel it down or just have it look more natural. But this is it. And this is a 20-inch Jerry curl, 99J. And I went on and plucked the middle a little bit, put a little bit of makeup in it. But yeah, it's so cute. Now, let me show you right here. Beauty Forever. They gave me this box, Beauty Forever, and it's really nice. I paid like $150 some for this wig. Can't beat it. So they gave me the wig. This, like I said, it's human hair. Sprayed and put all that good stuff on it. And they sent me some goodies. In the process of sending this hair, they sent me a little bag of some goodies. They sent me a little headscarf. They send me some hair clips. They send me wig caps. You can't never have too many of those. And they sent me some lashes. And them was some long, serious long lashes, okay? So they sent those. But them are all the goodies that they sent. But I just really want to show you the really pretty luster. It do has, when I comb through it, just like any curly hair, it does shed. You know, so it does shed, but I'm just got this on here and I'm gonna let you guys see how I look all made up in my little with my hair and my makeup, and see how I look all made up. Now I'm going to put a little bit of this mousse on here, but I think I wouldn't, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and cement or girl down. You know, but I'm gonna put on, because I want these curls to kind of stay, because this hair can kind of get boofy and don't mind it too much, but I kind of want the curls to kind of stay real refined on me. So I see this with the bottom of this looking like. Okay, so hey, you cannot beat it. It's from Beauty Forever. Like I said, I paid about $150 for this wig. The most maybe $160. I think the most, but I'm almost sure it was like $150. And this is 150 density. Yeah, 150 density. Human hair, 99J Jerry curl wig. So let me get all made up and cute and let y'all see the finishing look. Alright, be back. I'll let y'all. Okay, you guys, this is my finishing look. I got my makeup on. This is the hair. This is the next day. It's been dried and it is just so pretty. And I just love it. And it looks so cute in my cute little outfit. I want to show you my outfit. First of all, I want to show you my glasses now. Y'all seen me in these glasses before? And these are seeing glasses too, y'all. These are prescription glasses. So these are prescription. Yep. But let me show you this outfit I got, y'all. So I gotta show you the outfit. I got this cute outfit from Shein. Just got it. Cute little summer dress. Just got it. And I thought it looked cute with this hair. And I got these cute shoes I got from Rainbow. Now, y'all know I'm always getting something from Rainbow. Look at my hair stuck out here, y'all. I'm always getting something from Rainbow. But I had to let you see these shoes. So let me let you see this dress and these shoes. All right, you guys, this is the dress. Isn't it cute? It is so cute. And these are the shoes. So I'm going to zoom up so you can see them a little better. The shoes. Let's see if I can zoom up. You see the little sandals? They are so cute. And they were like $14. But this dress is so freaking cute. And I thought it would look so cute with this hair. So I just wanted you guys to see the total finishing look with my makeup and everything. So I hope you guys like it. Like I said, this is from, what is it? Beauty Forever Hair. I mean, cute, y'all. This is definitely going to be my summer hair. You can't tell me nothing different. So you see I got that face beat, y'all. So, all right. So I hope y'all guys like, subscribe, and thank you for watching. And come back and watch some more and some more and some more. And y'all be safe and y'all be blessed out there. Okay? Thank you. Bye.